this in the key of B flat major, right? Sort of revolves around B flat, but there's some other things that I'm doing there. And now when you play this, you have to have the feel, all right? It's all about the feel. The chords I can show you, but the feel has to come from in here. But in order for it to come from in there, we got to put it there. So I'm going to show you how to count. And the way we count this, we're going to count it in a 16 note pattern. So there's going to be 16 beats. We're not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 16. The way we're going to count it as 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now, those numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, those are all your downbeats. The and are all your upbeats. The E and a are all the syncopations, and that's where the magic kind of happens. So we kind of ghost note around those E and a sounds, okay? So this one is around 88 beats a minute, right? And I have this with my Bounce Lab 101 course. So when we play this, right, and I'm gonna show you how to do all of this other stuff, but you got to get it slow first, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, okay? But it goes very quickly for that, with that, right? But slow it down just enough so we can catch it a little bit more. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. So the is right before it's a It's like a stutter. A 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Sounds funny, but that's how it works with the syncopation. It's always right before the beat. The beat is going to anchor you. It's always on the down. You know, you're never going to have a downbeat on the E and a. I didn't start the D flat on the downbeat. I started that on the okay? So 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the... So the D is on the downbeat, so... So it's either after or before. A lot of times you have it before, but it's that all right? And the same thing with the tritone. So we have the chords here, right? We know what they are, but the feel is what we get. The right hand is a lot of ghosting. Because you're not hitting the chords down hard with in and out. Okay, so it's very quick, even with the lick. So with the feel, everything is the right hand, a lot of ghost notes, and the left hand is where your anchor is. With the left hand, we're going to anchor our tritones either on the beats, on the downbeats, the 1, 2, 3, and 4, or even if we approach it, most of the time, 90% of the time, syncopation E and is in our right hand. I get more into this feel in Gospel Bounce 101. You don't want to miss this. The link is in the description. And also, you can become a part of our community at GPU Community. It's 100% free. Love to have you there. That link will be in the description as well. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.